Hello all, today I am going to discuss the DML commands in SQL. DML stands for Data Manipulation Language. DML is used for making the changes in the database using insert, update and delete command. These are all the three commands used in DML. Hope you know. For that, I'm commenting this first line. For that, I'm going to take the student details table which is created in my previous video using DDL command. I'm fetching this student details table using the select keyword. Select star from student details semicolon. I'm executing this code. Below you can see student ID, student full name, student location. There are three columns present in the student details table. First I'm going to insert a few data in this table using insert command. The syntax is insert into the table name. Student details is the table name, and give the column name student ID, comma, what is the next column? Student full name, comma, the next column is student location. Close the bracket, give space, values, and you have to enter the new data to this table. I'm giving the value for student ID is 1 and value for student full name is I'm giving using comma. I'm in single quote. Sorry, in single quote, I'm giving the name as Vijay Kumar. Vijay Kumar. I'm ending the single quotes, comma. Again, we need to enter the third value for student location. Again, you need to enter a varchar data type. That is using single quote. You need to enter the value for varchar. Student location is I'm giving Bangalore. Single quote, close the bracket, semicolon. I'm just running the code using function F9. You can see below one row inserted, which means the data got inserted into the student details table. I'm fetching the student details table now. See, the record got inserted. The student ID is 1, the student full name is Vijay Kumar, and the location student is Bangalore. This is the one way to insert a new data in the student details table. Also, we have another option to insert a data in the table using the same insert command, insert into the student details table, student details. Directly you can give values and you can give the appropriate values to the particular column. I'm entering the new data to, I'm using the name as Virat. Again, I'm giving the location as Mumbai. Close the bracket, end with semicolon. See now what is the syntax? Compare, you can compare line number 5 and line number 7. Here I'm entering directly the value to the student details table. I'm not giving the column names since I'm inserting all the three values in the particular table. Now I'm executing this line using F9 keyboard. Tabular view does not exist. I mean the error is student details, spelling mistake, student details end. Again I'm running the code. Now you can see in the below, you can see one row inserted. Now I am fetching the student details table. Now you can see the second data got inserted. The same again I need to insert the third value to the table. I'm just copying the code using the command, the same syntax. I'm just editing the value. Sachin, and the location is Mumbai. I'm just running the line number 9 using function F9. Again got inserted. You can see I'm fetching the student details table. There are three rows got inserted in the student details table. This is the way how to insert a new data to the table. These are all the single line insert in the student details table. Now I am going to insert 4 more rows in a single run using the command insert all. The syntax is insert all into table name. The table name is student details space values open bracket, enter the value for the table. To insert the fourth record into the student details table. ID is 4 comma single quote. I am giving the name as Magesh single quote comma the location is Chennai. Again I am going to insert fifth record in the same run. So using the same command into table name student details space values open bracket. I am going to insert the fifth record id 5 comma name is Harish single quote location is Chennai. End with single quote. In the above I forgot to end with single quote. Close the bracket. Again I am going to insert the sixth record into the table using the same syntax into student details space values open bracket sixth record. So id 6 comma Dinesh Kumar end with single quote comma the third location is Bangalore end with single quote close the bracket. Use the keyword select star from dual. So I'm repeating the command for inserting multiple data. Use the keyword insert all into table name values. Enter the values for the particular table. Again you have to use the same command insert a new data. Again you have to use the same syntax. Use the next data Dinesh Kumar okay, no issue. Use the keyword select star from dual. This syntax is only for Oracle. I'm going to insert this using this execute statement or function F9 in the keyboard. Now we can see in the below 3 rows inserted, which means I'm inserting 3 records in a single run. I'm going to fetch the data student details table. Now you can see the fourth, fifth and sixth row got inserted in a single row. Now the table has 6 records. So that's all about the insert command. Now I'm going to explain the update command in the DML. Okay, I'm clearing these things, deleting the insert things. So the syntax is update. Okay, the syntax is update table name is student details set. I'm going to update in the below table the location for Aris is Chennai. I'm going to set the location for Aris is Bangalore. Set the column name you have to give student underscore location equal to give the changing value Bangalore where the student ID equal to what is the value for Arish. I'm going to change the Chennai to Bangalore. ID is 5. This is the syntax. For update command, use the syntax update the table name set student location. What value you are going to change that particular column. Student location is a column. I'm going to change Chennai to Bangalore. Where condition you must give where student ID equal to 5. What is the value for Arish, the student ID is 5. That's all. I'm going to run the, before that you just understand 5 Arish Chennai, the current data. After updating, the data will be 5 Arish Bangalore. I'm going to run this code now. Bangalore is invalid identifier. Sorry, I forgot to give it in single quote. Location Bangalore. Since the data type is var character. Just run the function F9. Below, now you can see one row updated, which means the data got updated. I'm fetching the student details table. Now you can see that data for 5 Arish. Previously, the data was student location data was Chennai. Now the data is changed to Bangalore. You must give the var condition when you are updating the particular column. Else, it will do the update for the entire table. For example, I am giving, see, I am commented the where condition in this update statement, which means now what is the meaning of the statement? Update table name said student location equal to Bangalore, which means the entire 6 records, the student location will updated to Bangalore. Hope you got it right. I'm just running the code again. See, function F9. I think I given control F9. Function F9 I am given. The query got executed, I guess. In the below I can see statement passed returning 0 column. I'm going to run the code now. See, I'm selecting this update statement. I'm just running the code. Now you can see below 6 rows updated, which means that entire table student location is changed to updated to Bangalore, since I don't give where condition while updating. The last command is delete command. Delete syntax is delete from, you have to give the table name. Student details is a table we are using. Student details where which data you are going to delete. You need to mention the where condition here, where I'm going to delete the student ID equal to, for example, I'm going to delete the record number for Magesh Bangalore. I'm going to delete the record in this student details table. This is the syntax. Delete from table name, give the where condition, student ID equal to 4. I'm just running the code here. Now you can see below one rows deleted, which means now I'm fetching the student details table. Now you can see the fourth data got deleted. Previously we have 6 records in the student details table. Now I have deleted the one record in the student details table. Again I'm going to delete one more record in the table. For example, I'm going to delete the row number 6. For example, student ID 6 I'm going to delete. Mention the student ID number 6 here and run the code using the function F9 in the keyboard. Now you can, in the below window you can see one rows deleted. Again I'm fetching the student details table. Now you can see only 4 records present in the student details table. Two records are got deleted. That's all about the DML commands in SQL. Insert, delete and update. Thanks for watching this video.